G'day guys, James Smith, aka the Tattoo Butcher, and today we're going to be turning a cheaper cut, the cross-cut blade, into something super tasty and serving it up on a taco chimichurri sauce using the flavours outdoor fireplace. So to get things started, we're going to get ourselves a nice New Zealand beef cross-cut blade. Now when you think of cross-cut blade, you probably think slow-cooked casserole. Not today. Today we're going to be slicing it nice and thin and searing it for a minute per side. Now what we've done in preparation is we've taken off the fat cap and the silver skin off the top, but we still have that silver skin and all that nice collagen on the inside. So once we sear it hot and fast, it's going to be super tender and super tasty. So next thing we need to do is get a nice sharp knife like I'm using today, and we're going to cut it slightly thicker than a schnitzel so that it gets a really nice sear over our grill plate behind us. So for our chimichurri recipe today, all you're going to need is 1/3 of a cup of Italian parsley finely chopped, 3 garlic cloves crushed and diced, 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of red wine, all finely mixed together. So to add that extra hit of flavour, today we're going to be grilling some corn for our tacos over some hot embers. So what we're going to do is let our crosscut blade rest for 1 minute. While it's resting, we're going to heat up our tortillas on the grill plate to get them nice and warm before we serve up. So that's how you make cheap and affordable crosscut blade tacos on the flavours outdoor fireplace. For more recipes just like the one we did today, head over to recipes.co.nz.